Hello everyone. Today discuss about Major Telegram mining bot. This is very viral project in the social media and lots of community in the Major mining bot, and this bot listing will be very soon. So start the Major mining bot. Already collected 97,377. Rewards section. Reward section. If you are new user, so you have to know how to collect the Major coin in this Telegram bot. Just press the star button and wait 1 or 2 minutes and collect the star. Already collected the star in my account, so not available at this moment. And invite the friend and earn more points. Now follow Major in Telegram. Okay, subscribe the already subscribe it and check subscription. Invite more friend, earn more. Starters purchase, one-time share purchase, Binance Xtron. If you don't understand my video, please you can skip the video or you can watch again in YouTube others video. I have no problem. Profile section. So everyone request, please join the Major mining bot. This is very viral project. So everyone, best of luck.